Hello and welcome to the part 2 of map tutorial. This is Rakesh and today we are going to learn something about the map methods like first is the clear and second will be like clone, now the deep clone, and the last is contains key. So we gonna to learn these four methods which are very important as per the requirement. Okay, so first I just create a map integer versus string and now name it map1 new map again integer and string. And okay, so in this way we can create a map. Okay, so now it's time to enter some values into the map. So map1 dot what port. So here I can write integer is a key, so 1, and string, so mangoes. Okay, now I can write map1 dot port again. I want to insert, so again it's 2 as an integer as a key, and now the value will be the apple. Okay, is a string. So now I'm going to system.debug, want to know exactly that what are the values I have. So results results before clear. Okay, clear means I'm going to use that clear method after this syntax. Okay, and I just write map1. So I have to go down, copy and paste, so it will be like after. So what I get after using that clear method, so I'm going to use clear method. For that I just write the map instance name dot clear and this parenthesis, that's it. So I can define a map feature type key and value, which is key is an integer, string is a value. So if I want to enter any values, then I have to write 1 2 3 4 as an integer for this key and all in string in for the values in the map. Okay, so I have two records here for this map. Now I'm just want to see what these are, is it okay or not. Okay, so now after this line prints the map details, then this method will run, which maybe clear these values. Okay, definitely will clear. Okay, and after that I can again print the same thing. So let's go and check whether it's working or not. I hope it works. So waiting for the from loading source etc. debug, and now here we go, it works. Yeah, this is Salesforce, it works. Yeah, so first mango, second apple, key value pairing comes for this one. You can see results before clear, and then the map1 dot clear, so it can clear all the records and it will display null or blank. Okay, now this is the clear method. You can use it as per your need. And the second thing is we are going to learn something called clone. So for clone I have to create a map which is of type integer and account. Okay, and map1 I will give the name as map1, again map integer account, and then that's it. So I can also initialize with name as Rakesh and billing city as Pune. Okay, so what I'm doing, oh I just do wrong here. Yeah, that's it. So this is the map actually. Okay, and now I'm going to create account a equal to new account. Okay, and now just paste this one. Okay, So in this way, why I just write this one, it is because I have a map which contains key as an integer and account as a value, so I have to put account, okay, account instance. So this a is an instance of the account which is already initialized by the name and billing city as a Pune. Okay, so map one dot put, and then integer 1 definitely, and comma and an account, so I just write the a which is an instance of the account. Okay, now it's time for the deep, not deep, it's a clone. There are two types of cloning. First is the deep cloning, second is the only clone. So I will let you know that what this method are about. So I just write map 2. Now I'm simply cloning the map 1 to map 2, map 1 dot clone. So what it does is only give the reference to the map 2 of the map 1, so it cannot duplicate the records, it is just a shallow copy. Okay, so it just give a reference, so map 2 have a reference of map 1 and map 1 has these values. Okay, now it's time to print something to check whether we are going right direction or wrong. So results, results, results. Okay, now here write map 1, copy paste map 2, so I can write result 2 and result 1. Okay, so execute it. There is something missing here. What it will be? Line 1, this one. So map 1, oh god, it's new. Okay, yeah, silly mistakes. Now come to here. Now the same data we have. Okay, because why don't we have the same data, because we haven't changed anything. So let's change. Okay, so what we are going to change, I just write map 1 dot get is a method. Okay, and what it wants inside is parenthesis, it just want any key of that map, so I just write 1, and what it will return the value. So it just want the key, and based on key it returns the value of that key. Okay, so it returns the a is what? A is the instance of that account. So I can from here, like this completes seems like a. Okay, because it just returns us the a is the instance of the account. So I just write here like billing city. Okay, oh, not this, billing city equal to, here I can write Mumbai. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is first thing here, you can, if you don't understand, let me again explain you that map 1, I'm accessing this map 1. Okay, dot get is a method and it wants a value, means the thing which is the key of the map 1 key. So here there is only one key, so I just put 1 here, and what it completely returns, this method returns, is the value. Okay, so value is the a, and a is the instance of that record. Okay, so accounts instance, so what it gives me like a, and if I want to change any field name, okay, so from a dot billing city I can change. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the next thing is I just change the billing city to Mumbai. So first it is Pune in the map 1, then we just clone and give the reference to this map 2. Okay, so now what it gets here, it gets the Pune as a billing city. Again we just change this billing city to what? Mumbai. So again it, as it is a shallow copy, it cannot duplicate the record. So what it gets the same as Mumbai, because it do not have its own copy. So let's find out whether I'm right or wrong. Here we go, the same we have, name and city. Okay, now it's time for the, it's a clone, now it's time for the deep clone. So deep clone means it can make the records, duplicate the records of the map 1. Okay, now if I run this one, then map 1 have the value spelling city as Mumbai, but as it has get the duplicate records, so the Pune will be assigned to this map 2. I'm not changing any map 2 values, so the map 2 will have Pune. Let's see, come on, yeah, here we go. So the Mumbai and Pune. So this is the way that you can use the deep clone and only clone. Okay, so for clone is only used for that reference shallow copy, and deep clone is just duplicate the complete record. Okay, now the next thing we have is, let me create a new map, is a type string and string. Okay, map 1 is the name, new map, string, and then complete. So map 1 dot put, I'm going to enter some values here, like both are strings, so I have to write apple here, write 1, anything you just want to write. Okay, and then copy, paste. So I just make it apple 1, this apple 1, this is apple 2, this is apple 3, like what I'm doing 2 down it 2, and this will be 3. Okay, so the next thing we are going to learn is the containskey. Okay, so we just want to confirm that whether we have any key specific we are giving the same, so it will return us true or false. So I just write results, results, and here I can use the, in the system.debug I'm going to use that method. So map 1 dot contains key, and I just enter the key, not cat, it's key. Okay, so apple 1. Okay, now I am going to execute this one. Let's see what we have. Yeah, it's true because we have the same one, but as it is a string, let's check for the case sensitiveness. So if I make it capital A, then let's see whether it's fine or not. Here we go, false. So in whenever you use containskey method to check whether that key is available in your map or not, then if it is a string, then it will be the case sensitive, so you have to give the exact case. Okay, so these are the 4 methods we have done for this tutorial. In the next video I'll let you know about the other methods of map. Just practice once, twice, so that you can understand and will be a more good developer. Yeah, thank you.